Hello everyone, this is Mario Perugini, and today we're going to talk about integrating Microsoft Teams meetings directly in your Moodle codes page. This will allow you to create a sort of virtual classroom space within Moodle. This can be done with just a few steps, which we will go through in a moment. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a testing space, and then I will show a practical example. Step 1, on your Moodle codes page, turn on the editing mode. Select Add an Activity or Resource, and add a label resource. A label is possibly the easiest way to highlight a link on your course page. Step 2. Name it as you like, of course, possibly with clear and defined indications. For this tutorial, we will use the following title. So, use this link to attend class remotely each Tuesday and Thursday from 11 to 12:15. Step 3. In the editing menu of the text box, select the MS Teams icon button to add a new meeting. Or you might be asked to sign in using your GCU credentials. Step 4. Tick the Opening in New Window box. This way, you will not have to go back and forth between pages. Step 5. Now for the actual meeting. Create meeting link. Name the meeting as you like. This title is just for you. As for the date and time, there is no need to set them. Even though you select them, the link can be reused for all the class meetings. Once the link has been created, you can review some of the meeting options by clicking this button. Once you've reviewed them, you save, and you can close this page. Step 6. Add the link to the meeting. Step 7. You have a pretty long and unfriendly link in your label. Of course, you can leave it as it is, or you can select it and copy it or cut it for the brave and the bold. Step 8. Select words from the label. In this case, we will do with this link. Add a link from the text editor menu and paste what you copied or cut. We suggest to once again opt for the Open a New Window for the aforementioned reasons. Create the link. Save and return to course. Cheers! You have created a virtual classroom space. Now you can move it at the top of the course page and have it always easily accessible for you and for the students. So that when class starts, all you and those who might be attending remotely have to do is to open this link. Let's do it. Once you open the link, you'll be redirected to a page asking you if you want to open Microsoft Teams from the browser or from the desktop app. Let's opt for the second one. If you don't have Microsoft Teams open, the application will be open automatically. And there you are. You're in the meeting. You just have to join it. Hello there. Now, let's go back to the course. You can replicate this exact same process to create a separate space for office hours. Let's again close Teams, and let's go through the steps once again. Now, editing mode turn on, add an activity or resource, label, let's title the label. MS Teams button, open a new window, create meeting link, let's call it office hours, create, it might take some time. There we are, after a minor setback. Now for the meeting options. In this case, you may want to make sure that the lobby, which is a sort of waiting room for the meeting, cannot be bypassed. This will avoid unpleasant accidents like a third person joining a meeting which you're having one-on-one with an individual student. Once you've done this, again, you save, you close, you add link, you change this horrible, horrible link into a more pleasant one, included in the wording of the label, create link, save and return to course. Let's move it to the top. And now you also have a virtual space for office hours. Now a question arises. What if I want or need to record my classes? It's quite easy. You open your meeting, you join your meeting. Let's hide this ugly mug. From the options menu, you select Start Recording. You get a message saying you're recording this meeting. Be sure to let everyone know that they're being recorded. And now you can go on with your class. Once class time is over, you simply go back to that menu and select Stop Recording. You confirm. Now, if you go to the chat of the meeting, you will see this message. Recording has stopped. Saving recording to Microsoft Stream. This might take some time, but no worries, you don't have to wait for it looking at the screen. Once the recording is saved, it will be accessible to the participants through this very chat just by clicking on it. If you record all of your classes, you will have the entire course recorded on the chat, and each class will be easily available. Just check the date of the recording. If you want an example, this is a previous test meeting I've done. There you are. This is what you see. A small preview with time and date. I hope this tutorial helps. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to share them during the Q&A sessions or the town hall meetings. By the way, the town hall meetings are accessible through the remote teaching course, and they have been created using this very same process. If you go to the course page, you can just click the link and you'll be directed to the meeting. There you are. Again, I hope this helps, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye.